Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a Fortnite Gingerbread Man. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this Fortnite Gingerbread Man, and to begin we're going to start with the shape of his head. So this one's going to be pretty simple, and there really isn't a wrong way of drawing this thing. So we're just going to draw in the top first. It's kind of like a half circle. And then on the side, we'll come down. So this is going to be the shape of the head. Alright, and then now we can draw in the details inside. So just come right around here, almost in the middle. Just gonna draw in two circles for his eyes. And then from here, let's draw in his mouth. So we're gonna draw the inside of the mouth first. Just come down, just drawing like a little smiley face. And then go back to the corner. Draw another big curve right underneath. And then from here, we're gonna round everything off on the outside. So just round it out on the corners. Just go all the way around. Okay, and then let's see for the eyebrows, really easy. You start out with two curves right over the eyes, and then again just round it out. And then lastly for the hair, I'm just gonna start right here, and I'm just gonna draw like these zigzags, so it's kind of like the Jonesy character. Alright, so just draw one curve first, and then now we'll just round it out. Just give it some thickness all the way around. Alright, so let's continue on with the body. So from here, I'm just gonna continue down. Let's go all the way down. This is gonna be all the way down to the top of his belt. And then once we have this, we'll just come in here. I'm gonna draw in kind of like a rounded rectangle right here for the belt buckle. So we'll start right here. And then I'm just gonna come in and connect that. And let's finish out the belt. So I'm just gonna come down and just come back in. Okay, and then on the inside here, let's draw another line. So that's gonna be the belt buckle. So now let's come back up here and finish up the details inside. So right here, that's where his shoulder is gonna be. He's got a little strap. So let's come down right here. So this is gonna be his armpit right here. Okay, and then one line, he's got one strap across the body. So again, one line first, and then just round off the ends. And then two buttons right in the center. 1, 2. Okay, so now let's go off for his arm. So again, really simple. Just gonna curve it down, both sides. And then we'll round it off. So let's draw on the other side first, and then we'll add in the details. Okay, and then one line right here for the fingers. And then right here, just a little bar, just to separate out the hand. Okay, and let's see, there's some detail right here. Just gonna draw two little cylinders like that. Alright, and then now to finish off the legs right here, start in the middle right here. I'm just gonna come down, make a little line. And then let's just go ahead and come down first. So slant it out. And then now we'll start out here and follow the same slant as this. Okay, so this should be kind of like an angle like this, and then we'll just round it off again, kind of like the hands. So start out here, same slant, angle here, round it off again. Alright, and then for the details, it's got a little pouch right here, so I'm just gonna draw a little curve right on the side of his legs. And then it's got another strap right here. Draw 2 lines like that, again, just round it off. So those are all gonna be little icings. Alright, and then on the legs right here, just gonna draw like a little wavy line. Round it out, close it off. So same thing on this side. And then lastly, let's draw in something for the knee pads right here. So I'm just gonna draw in kind of like a wobbly egg shape. Alright, so that is it for my Fortnite Gingerbread Man. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.